Je me sens bien.
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great.
Je les lave.
I'm washing those. I'm washing those.
Cette place est-elle libre?
Is this seat free? Is this seat free?
Laissez-moi regarder.
Let me take a look. Let me take a look.
En route.
Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road.
Choix multiple.
Multiple choice. Multiple choice.
Comme vous voulez.
Whatever you say. Whatever you say.
Vous avez l'air épuisé.
You look worn out. You look worn out.
Vous êtes impressionné?
Are you impressed? Are you impressed?
Vous avez de la fièvre?
Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever?
Et la nourriture?
How about the food? How about the food?
Je commence à avoir faim.
I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry.
Y a-t-il un problème?
Is there a problem? Is there a problem?
Tout est de votre faute.
It's all your fault. It's all your fault.
Laissons tomber l'école.
Let's ditch school. Let's ditch school.
Vous devez revenir.
You must come back. You must come back.
Vous vous sentez bien?
Do you feel all right? Do you feel all right?
C'est votre part.
This is your portion. This is your portion.
Où sont les toilettes?
Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom?
Salle de séjour.
Living room. Living room.
Il a cassé la fenêtre.
He broke the window. He broke the window.
A-t-il neigé hier?
Did it snow yesterday? Did it snow yesterday?
Je ne peux pas vous suivre.
I can't follow you. I can't follow you.
Je n'ai pas d'argent.
I don't have any money. I don't have any money.
J'aimerais en avoir un.
I wish I had one. I wish I had one.
Prenez ce médicament.
Take this medicine. Take this medicine.
Avez-vous manqué le bus?
Did you miss the bus? Did you miss the bus?
C'est parti.
Now yes. Now yes.
Comment va le travail?
How's work? Housework.
Je suis sans voix.
I'm speechless. I'm speechless.
J'ai vu pire.
I've seen worse. I've seen worse.
Elle s'est évanouie.
She passed out. She passed out.
Ne jouez pas à des jeux.
Don't play games. Don't play games.
Une chanson.
How about a song? How about a song?
Si cela ne vous dérange pas.
If you don't mind. If you don't mind.
C'est beaucoup.
It's a great deal. It's a great deal.
Regardez le désordre.
Look at the mess. Look at the mess.
Cela me rappelle.
That reminds me. That reminds me.
Comment est-ce possible?
How could that be? How could that be?
J'ai ça pour vous.
I got this for you. I got this for you.
J'ai fait un cauchemar.
I had a nightmare. I had a nightmare.
J'ai une question.
I have a question. I have a question.
J'aime votre maison.
I like your house. I like your house.
Je bâille toujours.
I'm still yawning. I'm still yawning.
C'est ça l'esprit.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit.
Environ 3 ans.
About 3 years. About 3 years.
Je suis bien, et vous?
I'm good, and you? I'm good, and you?
Je ne comprends pas.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Je m'appelle Lucie.
My name is Lucy. My name is Lucy.
Que voulez-vous acheter?
What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy?
Vous travaillez aujourd'hui?
Are you working today? Are you working today?
Comment s'est passé le voyage?
How was the trip? How was the trip?
Avez-vous été à Londres?
Have you been to London? Have you been to London?
Quelle est la durée du vol?
How long is the flight? How long is the flight?
Qui est cet homme là-bas?
Who's that man over there? Who's that man over there?
Puis-je amener mon ami?
Can I bring my friend? Can I bring my friend?
Il y a du vent aujourd'hui.
It's windy today. It's windy today.
Vous voulez de l'aide?
Would you like some help? Would you like some help?
Je ne fais que regarder.
I only watch. I only watch.
Aucune chance.
Not a chance. Not a chance.
C'est un vrai homme.
He's a real man. He's a real man.
Pourquoi pas à 7 heures?
How about at 7? How about at 7?
J'ai une idée.
I have an idea. I have an idea.
J'ai juste oublié.
I just forgot. I just forgot.
Je suis en première année.
I'm a freshman. I'm a freshman.
C'est à vous?
Is this yours? Is this yours?
Il fait humide aujourd'hui.
It's wet today. It's wet today.
Il est décédé.
He passed away. He passed away.
C'est un gros mangeur.
He's a big eater. He's a big eater.
Comme c'est aimable à vous.
How kind of you. How kind of you.
Je veux le voir.
I want to see it. I want to see it.
Je suis en deuxième année.
I'm a sophomore. I'm a sophomore.
Je suis mécontent.
I'm discontent. I'm discontent.
Je viens de Taïwan.
I'm from Taiwan. I'm from Taiwan.
Je n'ai plus d'argent.
I'm out of money. I'm out of money.
Ce n'est que mon chien.
It's just my dog. It's just my dog.
C'est trop voyant.
It's too flashy. It's too flashy.
Calmez-vous.
Just calm down. Just calm down.
À vous le succès.
Success to you. Success to you.
Vous m'avez laissé tomber.
You let me down. You let me down.
Ne me faites pas marcher.
Don't pull my leg. Don't pull my leg.
Je me suis brûlé la main.
I burned my hand. I burned my hand.
Je me sens très mal.
I feel terrible. I feel terrible.
Allons discuter.
Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat.
Pas spécialement.
Not especially. Not especially.
Quelqu'un me l'a dit.
Someone told me. Someone told me.
C'est douteux.
That's doubtful. That's doubtful.
Votre visage est rouge.
Your face is red. Your face is red.
Comment puis-je vous aider?
How may I help you? How may I help you?
J'ai la gueule de bois.
I have a hangover. I have a hangover.
Je dois vous renvoyer.
I have to fire you. I have to fire you.
Je ferai le reste.
I will do the rest. I will do the rest.
Il va pleuvoir.
It's going to rain. It's going to rain.
Parlons-en.
Let's talk it over. Let's talk it over.
Bien sûr que vous pouvez.
Of course you may. Of course you may.
Voyez par vous-même.
See for yourself. See for yourself.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Vous le regretterez.
You will be sorry. You will be sorry.
Buvez modérément.
Drink moderately. Drink moderately.
Il est égocentrique.
He's self-centered. He's self-centered.
Et celui-là?
How about this one? How about this one?
Je n'ai pas compris.
I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that.
Je ne sais pas non plus.
I don't know either. I don't know either.
Je ne veux pas me lever.
I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up.
J'ai un mal de dents.
I have a toothache. I have a toothache.
J'espère que vous avez raison.
I hope you're right. I hope you're right.
Il va pleuvoir aujourd'hui.
It will rain today. It will rain today.
C'est comme ça.
That's the way it is. That's the way it is.
Cette viande est dure.
This meat is tough. This meat is tough.
Veux-tu être ma femme?
Will you be my wife? Will you be my wife?
Vous n'avez pas dit cela.
You didn't say that. You didn't say that.
C'est très chaud.
It's blistering hot. It's blistering hot.
Quelle est votre opinion?
What's your opinion? What's your opinion?
Est-ce que vous mentez?
Are you telling lies? Are you telling lies?
Pensez-vous que c'est vrai?
Do you think it's true? Do you think it's true?
Je vais y réfléchir.
I will think about it. I will think about it.
Ça n'a pas bon goût.
It doesn't taste good. It doesn't taste good.
Que savez-vous d'autre?
What else do you know? What else do you know?
Vous savez ce que je veux dire?
Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean?
Est-ce vraiment important?
Does it really matter? Does it really matter?
À quoi ressemble-t-il?
What does he look like? What does he look like?
Quelle heure avez-vous?
What time have you got? What time have you got?
Où dois-je vous rencontrer?
Where shall I meet you? Where shall I meet you?
J'aurais dû lui demander.
I should have asked him. I should have asked him.
Regardez où vous allez.
Look where you're going. Look where you're going.
Allez-vous manger ici?
Will you be eating here? Will you be eating here?
Vous n'êtes bon à rien.
You're good for nothing. You're good for nothing.
Avez-vous fait vos devoirs?
Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework?
Noix de coco.
Coconut. Coconut.
Halte.
Halt. Halt.
Non.
No. No.
Je compte sur vous.
I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you.
Je suis capricieux.
I'm temperamental. I'm temperamental.
Très apprécié.
Much appreciated. Much appreciated.
Arrêtez de plaisanter.
Quit your kidding. Quit your kidding.
Parlez-vous français?
Do you speak French? Do you speak French?
Et demain?
How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow?
J'ai été déconnecté.
I was disconnected. I was disconnected.
Puis-je vous interrompre?
May I interrupt you? May I interrupt you?
Ce serait formidable.
That would be grand. That would be grand.
Le tuyau fuit.
The pipe is leaking. The pipe is leaking.
Que dois-je mettre?
What should I put on? What should I put on?
Quel était ce bruit?
What was that noise? What was that noise?
Vous travaillez trop.
You're overworking. You're overworking.
Vous avez été à l'étranger?
Have you been abroad? Have you been abroad?
J'ai une bonne vue.
I have good eyesight. I have good eyesight.
Je vais payer le dîner.
I will pay for dinner. I will pay for dinner.
Je vais m'en occuper.
I will take care of it. I will take care of it.
Le parc était bondé.
The park was crowded. The park was crowded.
Les choses vont s'arranger.
Things will work out. Things will work out.
À quelle heure ouvrez-vous?
What time do you open? What time do you open?
Quel est ce bâtiment?
What's that building? What's that building?
Pourquoi ne l'aidez-vous pas?
Why don't you help him? Why don't you help him?
Il y a quelque chose à cela.
There's something to it. There's something to it.
Pourriez-vous en venir au fait?
Would you get to the point? Would you get to the point?
18.
18. 18.
1000.
1,000. 1,000.
Janvier.
January. January.
Traduction.
Translation. Translation.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Soyez prudent au volant.
Be careful driving. Be careful driving.
Vendez-vous des piles?
Do you sell batteries? Do you sell batteries?
Comment se passe le travail?
How's work going? How's work going?
Les vêtements font l'homme.
Clothes make the man. Clothes make the man.
Pouvez-vous régler ce problème?
Can you fix this? Can you fix this?
Vous devez vous entraîner.
You need to work out. You need to work out.
En avez-vous un autre?
Do you have another one? Do you have another one?
Où est la boîte aux lettres?
Where's the mailbox? Where's the mailbox?
Ils l'ont couronné roi.
They crowned him king. They crowned him king.
Je me sens vide.
I feel empty. I feel empty.
C'est tellement poussiéreux.
It's so dusty. It's so dusty.